Hi, I'm Nerys Conway's Older Persons Engagement Coordinator. My job normally involves getting older people out of their homes and involved in their communities. And I know at the moment it's really hard having to be forced to stay indoors. But I want you to know that we are still here to help. We are still here to support. I am looking at different ways of organising some activities where we can be socially distant. So don't be lonely. Lift up the phone. Call our 0300 124 0040 number. I'm always around for a chat, and there is an awful lot of support out there to stop you from feeling lonely. So just remember, we are here to help.